4 common money habits that keep you poor. Your spending habits will determine a lot of your financial success. Simple activities that you repeatedly perform are known as habits. These little things that you consistently do can really make a difference. Similar to emotions, money must be managed and kept in check, or else you risk making decisions you'll come to regret. 1. Lack of savings. Lack of savings can make you rely only on debt, which won't make your future any better, and can undermine your financial confidence. There are many reasons why young folks don't save money, but lifestyle inflation is a common one. Saving is not an amount, but a habit. Start saving today. Whether you save a 1% or 50% of your income is irrelevant, if you don't have any savings. 2. Keeping up with the Joneses. To impress uncaring individuals, we spend money we don't have on goods we don't need. This varies greatly from person to person, but believe me when I say that your spending patterns are affected by the people in your life. Due to constantly comparing our lives to others around us, we have a natural desire to keep up with their lifestyles. The majority of us live in debt because of this ambition, but we mistakenly believe that the Joneses, or whoever they may be in your life, are an exception. It is impossible for you to experience the same outcome as others, therefore stop comparing your trip and your situation to theirs. What are you currently doing in your life that neither adds value to you nor even makes you content and fulfilled? Learn to spend money wisely on things that are important to you and have an influence on the people you care about. 3. Fear of money. Your financial confidence is dwarfed by genuine money worries. The fear of making mistakes is one of the main factors that undermines financial confidence. You may hoard as much cash as you can out of dread of losing it, even if it prevents you from visiting family or giving your kid a gift. Fears influence our money habits, and we find ourselves making decisions out of fear and not from a self-assured, confident mentality. Acknowledge that your fears are there and they are real. Analyze the cause of the fears and dive deeper into them. More than any amount of money, overcoming concerns will increase your sense of financial confidence. 4. Not seeking assistance. This is an odd one because having financial confidence is really all about having confidence in yourself. Find those who can encourage and empower you as you travel the path to greater financial confidence. Asking for assistance when you need it is quite okay, in fact, I'd advise you to do it. 3 kinds of people you should surround yourself with. Someone who requires your assistance, a partner for accountability, and a mentor or coach. We grow more financially confident when the proper individuals are encouraging and empowering us toward our particular goals. Take action. You will never be free from what destroys you if you don't address it. Which of these bad financial habits are you going to break first? Whichever one it is, put the solution in place immediately. Find the ideal individuals to surround yourself with so that you may develop your financial confidence. Share this with your friends, family, and/or partner. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss future uploads. We appreciate your support.